What up, son? What up? Hello, my little saplings. Have you been growing? I, for one, have not been growing, but I went down to the depths of my soul and I came back a way better, a very similar, the exact same person, but this time more hairballs on my voluptuous faceplate. I've been gone for a long time. Bam! Oh my word. Long time ago. So I just want to say thank you from the bottom of mi corazón. Thank you so much for all the messages I got asking where I was or if I was okay and sending me good wishes. I thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I just want to apologize if I wasn't able to respond back to your message and let you know. Over the past, I don't know, 2 years, 3 years, I've always wanted to have somewhere that was large enough to make videos with other people. Having people come to a physical space and do their projects and get voted on or off to the next week. I thought that was super cool. So over the past like 6 months, I'd been scanning the interwebs, looking for mainly a large enough, but even more mainly affordable space. So I actually found somewhere, which might explain the difference between what you see now and my last apartment. So this place is very cheap because it's not really in the greatest part of town. In fact, we're right next door to a junkyard. Or two. I think it's like 1,000 square foot and the ceilings are about 14 feet tall. I am 7'1", so me standing on top of myself, I barely touched the roof. So let me introduce you to my brand new pool house. It's huge. So from the start, I was on quite a limited budget, so I had to get crafty and DIY-zy. I knew I needed a number of things in the office space. I need chairs, I need desks, I needed computers, and I needed, I wanted a couch. Couches, I like jumping on couches. My plan was to get everything secondhand. My plan was to DIY everything or build it myself if I could to save as much money as possible. So I started on OfferUp. Next up, we gotta find a couch. So the search term I'm gonna use is, believe it or not, couch. Look at this one. It's like a McDonald's and circus. I had a child in hell. Look at this couch. Hey, Pavel, can I come to your home and eat burritos? You see it? Flufftown, USA, in orange. 15134. That's my social security number. I could invite people who lay down, and we could have a lay down party here. This part would lay down like this. And here she is, the mother of all couches, 7 feet long, tufted in all her gray mid-century glory. Isn't she beautiful? What is that? It happened when we were bringing up the couch. I feel like it's doing nothing. No. Yeah, maybe. Maybe I won't need to go to the dentist anymore. This couch cost me $200, but the couch is actually very large. It's 7 feet tall and I'm 7'1", so I can almost lay down on it pretty comfortably. Sick. Now it's time to find some desks, but every desk that's kind of large enough for what I wanted is about $100, even if it's used. So my plan was to build them of my own. That way, especially I can customize the height. Being 7'1", a lot of the tables that I get aren't quite the right height. We're gonna go to Home Depot and try to buy some wood and tools. Walk under a ladder. Look at this beautiful cart. Actually, that cart was insanely loud. Got the wood. Look, it's growing. I got magic wood from magic trees. And then, actually, to put these desks together, I got some special screws because I didn't want to drill like a pilot hole or anything first. So I got some very skinny screws and then I sanded them and polyurethane them. Beautiful. Oh, there's a sticker down there. Take that off. Then it was on to getting some office chairs. I'm going to, wait, if there's 7 chairs, I want definitely less than $10 a chair. If that's all right, David. He's gonna think I'm an insane person. Oh, yeah, work it. 1975 is when they were made in Holland, Amsterdam. It's not true. We have to make these gray chairs fit under the desk. Cut and cut and cut and just lower it and then re-glue. But that's too much work. So I think we're just gonna chop it off straight here. And then I'll probably try to get this as low as possible and sand that over. Come here, children. Remember, always wear safety goggles and ear protection and eye protection whenever you do this. So, here goes the first cut. We're gonna cut it. This feels terrible to do, but let's see. And that, Harry, is how you make a wizard. That was the worst cut of my life. Okay, good. So I'm gonna do that to all of them. Check out my hole. So we put on these bad boys, and they're not bad boys. They're awful boys. They don't roll at all with anyone's weight on them. Then after I cut off all the arms, I wanted to spray paint them with these colors. So that's what I did. And here is what they look like now. They're pretty sick, I think. I like the colors. It's cute, boy, it's cute. Okay, one thing I still need to get is a TV. I want to have a TV to be able to show people's designs when we have little get-togethers and events here. So I knew I needed something to put that TV on. So I found a media console on OfferUp. Fastest gun in the West. We got this cool media console. IKEA, vote now. IKEA or IKEA? How do you pronounce it in Swedenland? We're gonna paint it yellow. Wild honey. Yeah, too much paint. I don't know. This is going rough. It's going rough, guys. We'll see how it goes. So at this point, I had 6 chairs customized, and I still needed quite a bit more. So I went to a place called the Habitat for Humanity Restore. I found some old office chairs. Look at these chairs. I got them $5 a chair. Right now, they don't really go with it, but I thought the deal was really good. Take off the padding, try to clean up the blue as much as we can, and then spray paint the legs. It'll be Gucci in your too. Oh, and here are the colors we got. Peachy pink, blue, sad boy blue, baby blue, algae when it's been in the sun. That's the game. Tic Tac's the name. Look at these. It's like a coral reef, isn't it? It's beautiful. This blue, put in the office, and it's too blue. We have like this gray theme going on. So we're trying fabric paint, and we're just laying some on. Bam! And then we rub it in with a brush. Unless you're a Neanderthal like me, then you use your 2 phalanges. Same ones you pick your nose and eat with. No, that's gross. We're gonna try this on all the cushions. So here's how they looked in the end, son. Cute. Oh my gosh. While we're doing this, I'm accumulating iMacs. So I always get used iMacs from 2013. They only have like 8 gigs of memory, but you know, that's enough to do all kinds of Illustrator and Photoshop stuff. So I thought that was fine, and again, I'm on a pretty low budget. So I'm gonna give you the, wait, this is Zimri from the future. I also got plants, which you're about to see. I'm really excited. I hope they don't die though. Final tour right now. Come with me. As you enter the foyer, this is how people enter through this door. What's on the other side of it? It's like the industrial Los Angeles version of Narnia, but there's even more human goats around. Oh, what we didn't show you in this video is this. Look at it. It's a cubby holder. There's only like 7 usable ones, but it was the leftover wood from the desk. This used to be silver, metal, and then we spray painted it so now it's yellow. Reminds me of McDonald's, my favorite high-end eating establishment. Over here, may I direct you to the largest plant with the smallest pot. Okay, this is a table that I got on OfferUp also. I think it was $15, 20? 15. Let's say 15 sounds better. The scientific name is golden canary. Don't Google that. This is the cardenza that we got for $25 from Deseret Industries. These are a fruit known in this region as mangoes. And then you eat them, they're called mangons. So this is the couch I jumped on before. There's never a time when you shouldn't jump on a couch. And you can see all the wonderful plants. This, my friends, is called a violin. If you're from the South, you call it a fiddle. That's the second piece of furniture that we built with leftover wood from the desks. Desk, ladies and gentlemen, table is the table from my apartment. This one. So it didn't really fit in the space now. So we painted it white. and got all the legs orange. Look at that. They call that dipping, but we didn't dip anything. That is held up with spirit power. I don't have a joke about that. And these are the chairs we saw before. There's 6 of them, different colors. This, some people say, look like jeans. I say they look like rain clouds. Either way, they're cute-ish. Let me know. Vote now in the poll which chair you guys like more. James Cloud or James Cloud. Thank you. So these are the desks I made. There's 6 of them. And eventually I drilled a hole right through there. So the capacity actually is like 4, 8, 12, 16. That's right, I can count by 4s. Next one's 21. Then I built another little hanging pot holder here. Look at it. It's so cute. This one is made of balls. I'm not sure if it's real or fake yet. Look at the windows. There's bars inside the windows. That's because the windows open out. So they have to be on the inside, which is a little bit depressing. So we painted them white so it would blend in with everything. During daytime, light comes down through there and it fills this section and also your soul with a feeling of lightness. So if you eat a large dinner, you can come and hang out here. Thank you MTV Cribs for checking out my van, #van life, taking a trip to Colorado with my dog and my boyfriend. So that's the new space. Now I want to talk about some things I want to use it for. A couple things. Number one, I'm going to start trying to get people in here by something called Saturday Night Graphic Design Club. So if you happen to be a graphic designer in Los Angeles and you're not busy on Saturdays, it would be so cool if you came to our graphic design club. It'll be kind of like a challenge. I made a meetup page for it and there's also an Instagram handle. So if you live in Los Angeles and you're interested in design, come hang out on Saturday at 4:30 p.m. And so the second thing I want to do in this space is generally just do challenges with other designers. But so far it's proving a little bit difficult actually to get designers to come in here and want to take part in challenges and be on videos. So again, if you live in Los Angeles and you're a designer and you might like to take part in future design challenges with me and come here and hang out, go ahead and send me a direct message on Instagram through sngd.la Instagram handle. That would be really sick. I still plan to hang out in here alone most of the time and make a lot of my videos just in here because I like that. Thank you so much, Awesome Possums, for still being here. Okay, if you made it to the end of the video, let me know by leaving a comment that says a horse riding a duck is taco time. Thank you so much. Okay, my sons and daughters, stay awesome possum, and I'll see you later. Alligator, bye guys.